Welcome to Nariseki, and let's make ginger turmeric tea, good for cough and cold. This is very good with all the fresh ingredients. So first we are going to take a saucepan on a medium heat, add flax seeds, and once flax seeds starts spluttering, it will take about 2 minutes. Add water. I'm going to add water to this, and now all the fresh ingredients goes in this. I have fresh grated ginger. Add this will give a nice flavor. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, very good during cough and cold season. Cinnamon will also add a flavor. It has medicinal value. Turmeric powder, it's really good during cough and cold season. Black pepper is also good, adjusts the taste because this will give a spicy flavor, and our ginger will also give some spicy flavor. Mix it well and bring to boil. Now it won't take much time to make this tea, and all the ingredients are available at home, so it really smells good with all the flavor. Once I make this tea and I use this strainer to strain it, which I'm going to show, I always reuse this one more time. So the first time is a little bit depending on how heavy you want it, how strong you want it, you can boil it, but first time make it lighter. So this tea has a little bit of spicy flavor, so you can add the sweeteners of your choice. Here I'm adding jaggery. You can add any sweeteners of your choice, and I like to serve it warm. It really tastes good, and it is all the good things inside this tea. So let me try this. It's really tasty. Nice. So please subscribe Nariseki for more videos.